I can't believe he cheated on me. I'm never talking to him again.
Denise, come back to me, baby. It's me. I just want to love you.
Tyler? Is that you?
Yeah, it's me. Come on, just come back to me.
No. You've been controlling me for many months.
It was 2 years, babe.
I don't care. Short story long, we're done.
No!
Okay, dude, cut.
Oh, sorry, you alright?
I don't even know why I do this.
Yeah?
I
Oh.
should just quit. And now I'm cold.
Alright, let's bring it back to one. Let's try that.
I'm moving to London, far away from here.
Baby, please. Please. Oh, okay. All right, whoa. All right, yeah, that's a bit too much water.
Oh.
All right, yeah, just a little bit less in the water, please. This is
Okay.
not my time. Okay. But I can't afford to go to London.
Oh my gosh, that's the point. Yeah, let's redo that.
Yeah, you're right. Hang on.
That's the point, genius. Goodbye forever, biatch. Okay,
Alright, this is such a stupid video, bro. Alright, let's just go inside. Come on. Ugh.
You need to turn off the water.
Hey, do you know how to
Turn off the water.
do you know how to clean wigs?